When you post updated content on your website, you want your visitors to reach it despite clicking on an old link that leads to the outdated content. You might also be overhauling your website's permalink structure and wish to redirect old URLs to their new structure. In situations like these, you'll need to create redirects on your website. In this video, you'll learn what redirects are and how you can easily create them on your WordPress website. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification icon so you don't miss out on great content related to WordPress and WooCommerce. When you create a redirect in your WordPress website pointing from one URL to another, the visitor's browser understands that the page they want to visit has been moved and automatically points them to the new page. There are different types of redirects such as 301, 302, 303, 307, and 308. However, we'll focus only on 301 redirects as they're the most common and useful. 301 redirects tell search engines that the page where you want visitors to land has changed or moved and also pass between 90 to 99% of the link juice to the new URL, thus preserving your page authority. This way, redirecting from old or broken links can improve your SEO. However, redirects can decrease your page's loading speed by a measurable and significant margin. The easiest way to create redirects in WordPress is with the Redirection plugin. After installing the plugin, head to the Redirection settings under the Tools tab. Just complete the basic setup process. And you're good to go. You can create new redirects by providing the source URL and the target URL here. Set the query parameters and click Add Redirect. You can then manage and track existing redirects here. Head to the 404s page if you want to redirect visitors from your website's 404 errors. The plugin will automatically detect all existing 404 links on your page. Hover over one and click Add Redirect. Then, provide the target URL that's appropriate for this 404 link. In the Import/Export page, you can export all your redirections from an old site and import them easily to a new one. You can also create 301 redirects by adding code to your htaccess file, though you should create a backup of your site first. You can access the htaccess file using an FTP client. Add this code at the end of the file if you want to redirect a single page to another. Make sure you replace the example URLs and save the file. If you want to redirect an entire domain to another domain name, use this code. You can copy the code from the article in the description below. This code snippet will send visitors to the same URL slug at the new domain name. Just make sure to replace the example URLs with your actual ones. After saving the file, the redirects should start working immediately. Check out learnwoo.com for more articles, videos, and resources related to WordPress and WooCommerce. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media channels. And do let us know in the comment section if you want us to cover a specific topic or if you have any ideas or suggestions.